Good afternoon, all. I am Mananjan Sahu, research scholar, C.B. Raman Global University, and NPTEL Cloud Computing top over 5% of. And today we will solve the NPTEL 2024 January-April 2024 session. Before that, I would like to say something about my previous certifications. Previously, I received the NPTEL online certifications of cloud computing program. I was the top topper 5% and also received the silver badge. In practical assignment, I scored 25 out of 25. Okay. And this was the July and October 2023 sessions. Okay. And we will start today's week 5 assignment 5 solution, which last date is 28 February 2024. Okay. So you will start the program. Week 5 assignment 5. Okay, the first questions is dash is a formal contract between a service provider and a service consumer. It is a service level agreement because see, in service level agreement there is a formal contract between a service provider and service consumer. Here service level agreement, and it was a previous questions. Okay, now this is the right answer. So we will choose the option service level agreement, which is option B. Moving to the question number 2. Two question is there. Service level agreement contains service level objective SLO. Second statement is multiple KPIs. Okay, what is KPI? Key performance indicator are aggregated to service level agreement. So we know the out of the statements, here the correct option is statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, that means statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is incorrect. Why? Multiple KPIs are aggregated to service level objectives. Okay, service level agreement contains SLO, service level objective. So statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So here only statement 2, that is service level agreement contains service level objectives. Okay. But multiple KPIs are aggregated to service level objective, not agreement. So our option is A. Okay, option is A. SLA contains SLO. This one is correct. What? Second statement is not correct, which is false. Moving to the question number 3. If demand is flat, the penalty will be linear. No, this is a false statement. The penalty is not linear. The penalty is, the penalty is 0. If the demand is flat, the penalty will be 0. So this is a false statement. Okay, so this is a false statement. Moving to the question number 4. What are the correct options regarding the virtual VM load management? VM load management. 4 options are given. Okay, out of these 4 options, we will find only option A, that is when load increases, the new virtual machines should be scheduled to new nodes. The C option is when load is increases, use wake on LAN, WLs starts up waiting nodes. And option D is when load is decreases, live migrate VM to more utilized nodes. Detailed answer here clearly mentioned. Option A, C and D. Option A, C and D. When load decreases, VM should be live migrated to more utilized nodes. When load increases, okay, WL should be used to start up waiting nodes, and a new VM should be scheduled to the new nodes. So option A, C and D. Option A, option C and option D. Okay, is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. A company XYZ needs to support a spike in demand when it becomes popular, followed by potentially by a reduction once some of the visitors turn away. The company has 2 options to satisfy the requirements which are given in the following tables. The tables are given. purchase cost, cost per hour, okay, efficiency is given both in house servers INR or cloud server. Power cooling cost is this one's, and management cost is in house server is 10 and in cloud server is 2. Okay, so out of the four options, which two are correct? We have to see. We have to solve the problem. Here the problem is here. Cost per hour for in-house server, that is 3 years. Okay, we see purchase cost is 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 divided by 3 into 365 per year, 365 into 24, it will be 6.85. Okay, next we have to calculate cost per effective hour for in house server, that is cost per hour, that by efficiency. We find out the cost per hour is 6.85 into 100 by 60, that is efficiency is 60. So it will be 11.42. Then we have to calculate the total cost by effective hour for in-house server, that is 11.42. Okay, this one 11.42, this one, and power and cooling cost. What is power and cooling cost? Here power and cooling cost in case of a house server is 25, so R 25 plus management cost. Management cost is 10, so 11.42 plus 25 plus 10, it will be 46.42. 46.42. This one is 46.42, option C. Okay, then another question is here, another we have to calculate. Okay, another we have to calculate, that is cost effective hour for the cloud server. That is cost per hour by efficiency, that is 32 into 100 by 80, because here 80. Okay, it will be 40. Then total cost for effective hour for cloud server will be cost for effective hours plus power and cooling cost plus management cost, that is 40. This one is cost and effective hour is 40. Power and cooling cost, it is 0. Okay, but management cost is calculated 42. So out the three, adding these three, will get 42. Okay, here is 46.42 and here is 42. Okay, 42. That is total cost by effective hour for cloud server is 42 INR. So option is B. So in question number 5, the correct answer is option B and option C. Moving to the question number 6. Another question is that a third-party application run in a cloud for 12 hours per day. At the end of 1 month, that is, it's considered to be 30 days. It was found that the cloud service suffered 5 outage of duration. What was the duration? 5, that is 1 hour 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, and last one 3 hours. Okay, each of different days over the service period. Suppose a cloud guarantee service availability is 97% of time. Okay, then what are the possible values of a T and a service level agreement negotiation gets or not in terms of service ability? Okay, for the option given, we have to calculate these things. We have to calculate. We know uptime equal to 2 into 30. Okay, 30 days, that is 360 hours per month they will provide. The downtime is whatever the time we have given, that is 1 hour 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hour 15 minutes, and 1 hour 45 minutes, and last one is T hours. So it will be 5 plus T hours. Service duration is uptime minus downtime equal to 365 by this one minus 5 plus T. So 360 minus 5, 355 minus T. Okay. Secondly, we have to calculate the availability. Availability found by calculating this, we found T less than equal to 5.48. 5.48. But this is 6 hours, this is 12 hours, this is order, which is less than 5.48. Only 3 hours. Okay, so option A is the correct, as the service level agreement negotiation gets or not less than or equal to 5.48. So answer will be option A. It is 3. I hope you understood. Moving to the question number 7. Which of the following are the objective of resource management? Objective of resource management. Okay, there is 2 options. That is only scalability. Okay, that is only scalability and improve throughput. 2 options. Okay, we have to see because this was a previous questions. Okay, which of the following are objective resource management, scalability, and input throughput. Okay, you can find also the slides. Answer is clearly given. Going to the question number 8. Which of the following each or are resource allocation approaches in resource management? Resource allocation approaches. Okay, so this was also a previous question. This is energy or resource allocations. Okay, option A and intelligent multi-agent model. Okay, we have to check the answer because the previous questions. Which of the following each are the resource allocation approaches in resource management? Intelligent multi-agent and energy or resource allocation. Why? Because the intelligent multi-agent model and the energy or resource allocations are resource allocation approaches. Networking model is a resource provisioning approach, and reinforcement learning guided control policy is a resource adaptation approach. Okay, so intelligent multi-agent model and energy intelligent multi-agent model, option D, and energy our resource allocations. Okay. Moving to the question number 9, two statements are given. First statements, each reducer groups the results of the map steps using different keys and performs a function f on the list of values that corresponds to these keys. Okay. Second statements, files are stored by keys and stored to the local files. Okay. So here both the statements are true. You can find these options in slides. In map reducer model, you can find these two options. Here the first and here the second option. Okay. So both the statements are true. Moving to the question number 10, which is the last question. In computing, there is a nonlinear relationship between two numbers of processing cores used and power consumptions. Okay. So this is a valid and true statements. See, these are the previous questions. In computing, there is a nonlinear relationship between the number of processor cores and uses a power consumption, which is true. You can find in the other slides. Okay. Now we are going reviewing these answers one by one. Okay. We have to check the answer. First option is 1B. Second is 1A, 2A. Question number 3, 3B. Question number 4, ACD, ACD. Question number 5, it's a numerical problem, which answer will be two options, that is B and C. Question number 6, it is also a numerical problem, which answer will be less than 3, that is called A. Question number 7, we have a multi-choice options, that is question number option number B and C. Okay, that is scalability and improved throughput. Moving to the question number 8, the answer will be two options, that is option A, energy or resource allocations, and intelligent multi-agent model, that means A and D. Okay, question number A and D. Moving to the question number 9. Okay, the both statements are correct, that is option number C, both statements are true. Moving to the question number 10, the option is also true. Now we are going to submit this answer. Okay, just a minute, we are going to submit. Yeah, thank you for taking the week 5 assignment. We have submitted the answer successfully and we have to wait what will be the result. Till then, if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, to see the week 6 assignment 6 solutions. Okay, take care and bye bye.